Hello, everyone. It's Joseph Katz with KettleSpace. I am here once again with KettleSpace co-founder Dan Rosenzweig. We're going to talk more about the hub and spoke model of real estate. In the last couple of sessions, we covered what the hub and spoke model is, how hyper-local or near home offices applied to the hub and spoke model. And so today we figured we would talk about pricing. Dan, thanks for joining me once again.
Thanks so much for having me.
Let's talk about the pricing structure of a hub and spoke model. Is it more expensive, less expensive, flexible? How does it work?
So you would think it would be more expensive because realistically, you're taking more space in more places. The good news is when you partner with KettleSpace, at least, our approach is to first and foremost make it less expensive than what you're currently paying. So the idea is by using underutilized real estate, we can help create savings and pass those on to you. And so we're going to apply that exact logic with our hub and spoke model. In terms of pricing, the pricing is completely flexible, so it's based on a per head basis, and it can scale. It scales down the larger the organization, the less expensive it is on a per head basis, and the price changes on a per employee basis based on what they need. So if you need private space, it's going to be a little more expensive than if you're willing to share. And you can adjust that on a per employee basis. So overall, it should be way more agile for your organization, way more flexible from a price standpoint and term, and ultimately cost savings overall.
Does location of the spokes or the hub play into that price?
So it really depends. If you're in a 5-star hotel, it might be a little bit more expensive. That said, we look to standardize pricing across different types of spaces and different locations as much as possible. So even if there is a slight premium, it'll be minimal.
How about lease agreements, contracts, deposits?
None of the above. There's no hidden fees, no down payments, no security deposits. The goal here is to be as transparent, as flexible as possible, to give you the power to set your employees up for success. At the end of the day, that's going to hopefully set you and your company up for maximum opportunity to grow, which then works in our favor because then you'll want to work with us even more. So no terms, no fixed fees, no nothing. Just let us know what works for you, and we're here to help.
And if a company wants to grow or shrink based on environmental or corporate needs, is that easy with the hub and spoke?
Absolutely. You let us know. We're here to support your team and in both times of boom and bust. So whether you're growing or shrinking, you're looking just in one market or in multiple, we can help support you. So come give us a call. We're happy to help.
And these spokes could be as far away as California from New York, right? It doesn't have to be just
I mean, we'd probably consider that a slightly different market, but we would heat map that separately so that we would understand what your local need was for any particular space. But yes, like our offering is as flexible as your needs need to be.
Cool. It's exciting. Hopefully more and more companies jump on board to this model because it seems like the wave of the future. Obviously, we know we've seen it being written up in the press. So if people want to learn more, we could definitely get them in touch with you or any of the other team members here at KettleSpace. Dan, it's been fun. Well, until our next video, I will say have a great day.
Likewise. Can't wait.